All right, we'll be looking at similarity and then going down to P12, proves similarity statements. Okay, so look at some examples here. All right, so they're giving us PQ and QT is equal to QR and QS. So it's PQ, QT, so basically this line and these lines combined are going to be equal to each other. I complete the proof that PQR is similar, that's a similar sign, to triangle TQS. Okay, so this one the given is the first statement there. The second one is going to be the vertical angles theorem. And that's going to be SQT congruent to PQR. All right. And last one, the missing one that we're looking for, the reason for the similarity is going to be the SAS similarity. Okay. So we have the two lengths in the middle. So we basically have our side, angle, side. So if you look at here, you go to P to Q, you got your side, you got your angle on Q, and then you have your other side right there. Okay, so that's going to be SAS. All right, this next one here, complete the proof that GHI is similar to EFI. Okay, and the given is here, these two marks. So G is going to be congruent to E, and then the vertical angles theorem, basically I is going to be equal to I. So this I on this side and that I on that side. Let me make a little bit different symbol than the others there. Okay. To G and E, make sure to discern the difference between those two. And then this one is going to be angle similarity. Okay, so a similarity postulate. The postulate states that two triangles are similar if they have two corresponding angles that are congruent or equal in measure. Okay. So my next one here, there's a little bit more. So angle T and TUW are supplementary. Complete the proof that triangle UWX is similar to TVX. All right. So the first one's always our given. So we're going to repeat that right there. Reflexive property is going to be X is going to be equal to or congruent to X because they both share that. So this triangle here and this triangle here, they both share X right there. It's going to be the same. WUX, so WUX right there, plus TUW, so TUW. These two right here are going to add up to 180 degrees because angles forming a linear pair sum to 180 degrees. Okay, so angle T plus TUW, these two right there, are going to be 180 degrees. That's the definition of a supplementary angle. All right, so we have measure T plus TUW is going to be equal to the red over here. So WUX plus TUW. TUWs are the same on both, are going to be equal to each other. So with algebra, you're going to substitute there that WUX is going to be equal to measure T, okay? So they cancel out TUW on both sides. All right, and this leaves us with the last one. And this one is going to be similar to our last problem. It's going to be AA similarity. Because we found two different angles for both triangles, and now we can prove that they are similar triangles. Okay. This last one here, complete the proof that triangle UVW is similar to VXW. So our given is going to be that VX is perpendicular to UV, so that means they're gonna meet, they're gonna cross. They're not parallel. VW is the same with UX. It's perpendicular to UX. So that means the next one, just looking ahead, is to be all angles. So number 3. It's all angles are congruent. Okay. Number 4 is going to be x plus u is equal to 90 degrees. X plus u, those two, so those are 45 each really, is going to be equal to 90 degrees. So x plus uvx, so, or I'm sorry, wvx, which is going to be that angle right there, is going to be equal to 90. And that one is going to be the acute angles in the right triangle sum 90 degrees. So let me pause this and write this out. Acute angles in the right triangle sum 90 degrees. All right, next one is going to be the transitive property of equality. So measure x plus wvx is going to be equal to x plus measure u. We have measure wvx is going to be equal to measure u. And then, so that was because of algebra. And then the last one, they're similar because angle similarity. So that's going to be your 8. So when they get more challenging, they have you fill in more of the reasons. And good luck. Have a great day.